Meadow Lakes, the hidden gem of northwest Georgia. Nestled near Cedartown, Georgia, Meadow Lakes is a thoughtfully planned golf community that blends southern hospitality, scenic landscapes, and recreational amenities to offer a peaceful, relaxed lifestyle. Chapter 1. Geography and setting. Meadow Lakes is situated on the eastern fringes of Cedartown, Georgia. While Cedartown itself is a tight-knit community of roughly 10,000 residents, Meadow Lakes offers a distinct departure from the typical grid-patterned neighborhoods often found in small-town Georgia. When you look at the community from a bird's-eye view, it reveals its identity immediately. It is an organic, resort-style development. Roads do not follow a rigid square grid. Instead, they curve gently, mirroring the natural topography of the land. Small, reflective lakes break up the expanse, and massive mature trees provide a canopy that shades the streets. For many residents, the primary street view is not a neighbor's driveway, but the lush, manicured expanse of a golf green. Chapter 2. A Deep History. To understand the charm of Meadow Lakes, one must first appreciate the soil it sits upon. Long before it was a golf community, this land held deep historical significance. It was ancestral territory for the Cherokee and Creek nations, who valued the area for its natural springs and fertile valley floors. The mid-1800s saw a difficult period with the displacement of indigenous populations, followed by the rise of Cedartown as a hub for mining, cotton production, and rail transport. While the industry defined the 19th century economy of Polk County, the modern era has seen a graceful transition. Today, the area preserves that historic character, the feeling of a town with roots, while seamlessly integrating the residential comforts of the present day. Chapter 3. The Architecture of Intent. Meadow Lakes was not a neighborhood that just happened. Construction began in the mid-1980s with a singular driving vision. A championship golf course would serve as the anchor of the neighborhood. The course was designed by architect Ken Skodacek and opened in 1985. It is a formidable 6,800-yard layout, featuring challenging bent grass greens and water hazards that come into play on more than half the holes. The finishing stretch of the course has earned a reputation among local golfers as one of the most demanding in the entire region. Because the developers placed the course at the center, the residential lots were plotted to radiate outward. This is why the home sites feel larger and more private. They were secondary to the geography of the course itself. Chapter 4. Why the Golf Community Model. During the 1980s, the golf community became a gold standard for suburban development in the Southeast. Developers discovered that homebuyers were hungry for something beyond a house. They craved a feeling of permanence. By building homes around hundreds of acres of permanently maintained green space, developers could guarantee two things: beautiful views and stable property values. For the resident who never swings a golf club, the benefit is just as significant. They are essentially living in a vast, well-tended park. This configuration ensures that no one will ever build a high-density apartment complex or a strip mall in their immediate backyard. Chapter 5. Architectural Diversity. One of the most refreshing aspects of Meadow Lakes is the absence of cookie-cutter syndrome. Because the community was developed over several decades, from the late 80s through the early 2000s, it avoids the monotonous look of modern master-planned communities. The architecture is eclectic. You will find classic brick homes that pay homage to traditional Southern aesthetics, standing alongside custom homes with contemporary flair. Common features include oversized front lawns, long driveways, and floor-to-ceiling windows designed specifically to frame the golf course or the surrounding water features. The mix of styles gives the neighborhood a settled, lived-in feeling that brand new developments struggle to replicate. Chapter 6. The Rhythm of Life. If you ask residents what defines Meadow Lakes, they rarely mention the golf scores. They mention the silence. The atmosphere is dominated by natural sounds, the rustle of wind through the pines, the chirping of birds, and the occasional soft hum of a golf cart. It is a neighborhood where evening walks are a standard, not a novelty. Neighbors know one another's names, and the pace of life reflects the surrounding landscape, slow, steady, and deliberate. It is an environment built for those who prefer the quiet of a porch to the noise of city nightlife. Chapter 7. The Demographic Fabric. Meadow Lakes attracts retirees, remote professionals, and families seeking a safe, peaceful lifestyle. Residents share a love for the outdoors, often enjoying gardening, walking, exercising, and the community's clubhouse amenities. Chapter 8. The Heart of the Community. The clubhouse is the center of community life, featuring an 18-hole golf course, restaurant, pro shop, pool, tennis courts, and event spaces for dining, weddings, and social gatherings. Chapter 9. Connections and Events. Residents enjoy charity golf tournaments. Chapter 10. Access to the greater region. Meadow Lakes offers a peaceful setting with easy access to the Silver Comet Trail, downtown Cedartown, Rome, Cartersville, and Atlanta. Chapter 11. The Appeal of the Slow. Life people move here for a quieter lifestyle, spacious homes, scenic views, and a peaceful environment away from busy city life. Chapter 12. More than just golf. The golf course creates beautiful green space, privacy, and wildlife habitat, making the neighborhood attractive even for non-golfers. Chapter 13. A View from Above. From the air, Meadow Lakes' winding fairways, ponds, and wooded landscapes reveal a thoughtfully designed community with striking natural beauty. Conclusion. Meadow Lakes is not trying to be a metropolis. It is not trying to be the next big trend. It is something much more valuable. A stable, beautiful, and quiet sanctuary. It is a place where you can breathe, where you can walk your dog without worrying about heavy traffic, and where the most significant news of the day is often the sunrise or a good round of golf.